This will be a quick video demonstrating the use of set operators. And basically, in mysql, they only allow union and union all. In other programs like SQL Server, you'll have a union, an intersect, and what's called a minus. So let's start with the union so that you can understand what they do. Basically, it combines the results of two separate select statements. Okay, so in this example, I'm actually running to the classic models database, and there we have a table called offices, and we have a table obviously called customers, and in both of those there's a city column. And so for whatever reason, I want to see the cities from the customers table and the offices table combine. You can only have one order by statement. It has to be at the very end. And what the union will do is show the results of the first one in conjunction with the results of the second one. And union will take out duplicates, as you're about to see. So when I run that, I get the results here, and notice I have just one of every city. Now, of course, you don't know which city belongs to customers and which city belongs to offices, but it's just a list of cities from two separate tables all in one list. Now, if I were to change this to union all, the only difference is now I don't eliminate the duplicates. So I will go ahead and run that, and now you'll see Auckland show up several times, and probably other cities showing up multiple times, Brookhaven. So that's the difference between union and union all. So union basically combines the results of both queries while eliminating duplicate results. Union all combines the results of two different queries, but it doesn't eliminate duplicates. Another example, show me the customers who've placed orders before April 1st and the customers who've placed orders April 4th of 2009. And a single select statement, I could have just done where order date is less than this or order date is greater than this. But just to demonstrate, there's another way to do it. I could have said, show me everybody out of this list and union it with everybody in this list. So when I run that, I get an error. That's because I'm in the wrong database. This sample is meant to be in bookstore. So there we go. Now I'll try it again, run it, and now I'll get people who've ordered before and after. Now, just to talk about the other separate set operators that don't work in mysql, one's called intersect. And just like the Venn diagram we looked at for joins, an intersect would be basically everything. Like if you have a circle A and circle B that overlap, intersect would be the results in the intersection of those two circles. So if I were to say select cities from customers, cities from offices, this would return the cities that are in both locations, right? The same cities that are in the customer table as in the office table. The other one that mysql doesn't support, but other systems do, is, and I know in SQL Server, I think it's called minus, and Oracle, it might be called subtract if I'm not mistaken. But basically, show me something in the first query, in this case city, that's not in the second query. So in this example, I'd see all the cities and customers that are not in the offices table. So combined, all of these are called set operators: union, intersect, and minus or subtract. Again, mysql only supports union and union all. And so basically these set operators are just another tool to add to your toolbox, if you will, and when you're trying to solve business problems retrieving data from a database.